If you follow me online, you must have seen videos of me riding that look like this, or some that look like this, or even like this, and wondered how I take these videos. You're not alone. So many people have been asking, so how does it happen? Do I have a drone following me? Of course not. Let's see how it works. Before we get started, let's quickly go over what you need for such a setup. 1. You need a 360 camera. In my case, I use an Insta360, the X2 version. You need a bike mount accessory, an extension pole for holding the camera at different lengths on the bike, obviously a micro SD card for storing footage as you shoot, and a fully charged camera. Among the very first questions I get a lot is, where is the camera mounted? Well, it's right here on the handlebars. The mount that I have holds it right in the middle of the handlebar, and that's a perfect angle for viewing a lot of things happening around me. I prefer mounting it on the handlebars for a front-facing view, but you can get creative and try different spots really. Now let's see how to mount the camera. You screw the camera onto the pole and adjust the pole according to the length that you want. Remember, the longer the pole, the more it gives the impression of a drone shot. Make sure the camera is well secured so that you don't drop it off. Press the record button and it's rolling. Remember, this is a 360 camera, so it's recording all directions, up, down, left, right, center, and you don't really need to focus it on one side or the other side. It captures every single thing. And then the magic of choosing what angles or positions you want to show your viewers happens in post-production. Once you're done recording your footage, you can connect the Insta360 camera to the mobile app. The app allows you to preview your footage and make edits as well. This is where you get to choose what angles you want to show your viewers. Remember, the benefit of a 360 camera is that it captures every single thing. And so at editing, you're able to make transitions from this kind of view to this view, or to this view, or even up or down. Once you're done making edits, you can preview your video. And if satisfied, you can export it and share it with people. For this video, I will not go deep into how to make edits. I'll share that in a separate video. Well, there you have it. I hope this video helps answer a lot of the burning questions that you may have. If you have any more, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Until next time, ride safe and capture those unforgettable moments with your Insta360. See you on the road.